I'm going to show you how my dad makes curry goat. So if you would like to see how he does it, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. So here's my dad. He's going to show us how he makes curry goat. What's that, Daddy?
Garlic.
Okay, garlic.
Baby garlic.
And pot with oil.
You might sneeze a little because get some spice. You cut a piece of green pepper and burn it, so you could be sneezing. The pepper is the. Now I wouldn't put so much because you don't like pepper.
Nope.
No. And then put the curry.
So that's curry powder.
Yeah. According to the amount of goat. I have no measurement, but you could average the amount of goat you're using and you put a suit.
Okay.
Right? So come at your parts in the curry, which means you will burn the curry. Okay?
Guys, this smells so good right now.
Yeah, wait. And this is goat here.
What did you season the goat with?
Fresh season.
Like what?
A little chive, celery, pimento pepper. A lot of different things, anything ingredient that you choose to use, but fresh seasoning. Little salt, black pepper, Angostura bitters, and you could dash a little Trinidad rum on it. Not so much. Oh, okay. Right. Right.
How long has the goat been seasoned?
I season this. You could season goat within 6 hours, 4, depending on you had a rub it in. That's how you season the goat. Understand? Alright. Alright.
So after you stir it around, how long do you leave it for?
You leave it, the water will spring, you will check back at the pot maybe next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, even next 10 minutes. With the amount that it's spinning right now, check back the pot next 10 minutes. Alright? Just cover it lightly, blaze in the fire. Right.
So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we open the pot now and we turn over this meat. Alright? See how the color coming? See how the color coming? And you see how the meat shrinking? You see the same water, the same seasoning, and the meat have its own water. That's why the meat cooking meat and water in it. Alright? So this is how that goes. We almost getting ready. You would see it soon again. And you know I love to taste. I love to taste. So I would see your taste to know how hard the meat is. You understand? Your taste. To know how hard, so you know how much water to put. Like young goat. Like young goat. A Trinidad goat. Like young goat. No, the goat come from Tobago. Sorry. Trinidad Tobago. Like young goat. So now, you see when you do this, you know how you don't want no mince meat. Right? So you want to die by a chase your meat and see
see
how
how
hard
soft
it
it
is,
is?
how soft or how hard.
Okay.
And then I would also, now you have to work out your brain. A chef like me, it has no measurement. It's just natural skill. Okay? So, until the next rounds, Isha, you want a piece?
Yeah.
Try that. You ready for it? No, I need to. You can make coconut ready. Mix up. You mix up? Yeah, mix up. So that's why you say people cooking.
Tastes good, guys. Really good.
Yeah. You see how people cook.
Stay tuned.
This will be looking nice. Yeah. So I squeeze in the coconut. No. Okay?
So my dad grated the coconut in the blender, and now he's just water out of the coconut
Right.
to get the coconut milk.
Yeah. Then in the pot.
So we added some more coconut milk to the goat. So we're gonna leave it, let it cook through for about how long, Daddy?
About 10 minutes, and then we are going to put the yes mommy taste.
Go ahead.
The pot we must do yes mommy. Yes mommy, which is my mother. You see, you cook, but you have to finish a pot. If you can't finish a pot, you can't cook. And this is how you finish a pot. This is some fresh season, right? It's fresh season. You slice some tomatoes, right? This is where you get your taste from. You're making your sauce, your gravy with this. Okay? Now you make your sauce, your gravy. At least you could put as much as you want, but with the amount of goat that we have here, right? Like where I put in two at least medium size. You know? Tomatoes. So in Trinidad we say tomato. Okay? This is how we do it. And then it had a secret. The secret that we don't really share like that. I'll show you it. I'll show you the secret. I'll show you the secret, right? You see, you put that in the boil, and when you get your taste, and you can add salt to taste. Okay? Yeah, that's what it is. But this is the secret. You stay ready. Two, you could use one in this, one pepper. You don't burst the pepper. This is just the flavor, and this is my special bay leaf. Bay leaf, because you need, huh? Huh?
You see the bay leaf?
Yeah. Look, let me take. Look, you need to kill the goat in the pot, and the bay leaf now would kill the goat. Bay leaf gives it a nice flavor, So when you're eating now, you want to know where you're tasting. Why is this? Why is that? But the bay leaf is secret. And I share my recipe with the world. And hope you all enjoy when you try it.
Yes. So how much longer for this pot?
10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
You'll be back to say they finish.
So I'll come back to show you guys the final results.
Yeah. All right. Put in the pot. And taking out the bay leaf. That's the only thing that's coming out now. Right, so the bay leaf done boil out, done come out, all the flavor you want to kill the goat. So finish kill the goat. Because you finish the goat in the pot. Alright, it are nice too. You see how nice the pepper floating. Once the pepper floating, you know the pepper it will boost. So try hard not to boost the pepper. Right, you try hard. You just keep the pepper on top. Then you have nice flavor. So now I'll taste to see if I want more salt in it. I think it's all good. So, right, you can serve this as a roti, provision, rice, anything you want to serve it with. Right? So we have about another 10 minutes and we turn off the stove. Good to go. Alright? You shall give me a piece of meat. I know you're watching it. Yo, you shall go and sleep, yeah? It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Right up. So the pepper still floating. Eat the pepper flat. The pepper burst. You understand? So you need the pepper just a flavor. Part of the flavor. But everything good here right now. Alright, ready to soup.
So final results, guys.
Ready to soup.
Trinidad and Tobago style.
Trinidad and Tobago style. And yes, mommy taste. You must put in yes, mommy taste.
Alright, guys. Thanks for
Done.
watching.
Close. See you.